The SEC's recent acceptance to convert the Bitwise ETF 10 crypto index fund into an ETF stunned the crypto world. This spot ETF includes Bitcoin, Ether, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Sui, Chainlink, Litecoin, Polkadot, and Avalanche. Excitement quickly turned to confusion as Bitwise ETF unexpectedly suspended its approval after the SEC's nod. What explains the sudden reversal following a breakthrough moment in 2025 crypto regulations? Understanding requires dissecting the SEC's delegated approval and reevaluation mechanisms in play. The Bitwise ETF was initially approved through the Bureau of Trading and Markets, using delegated authority under SEC internal rules. Yet, the Commission triggered a detailed review under Rule 431, halting the listing despite earlier rapid approvals. This deferred decision heightens uncertainty for investors eyeing crypto fund adoption. Consider the implications of the SEC's layered approval system. It offers initial green lights but maintains strict oversight to override decisions. The Bitwise ETF suspension mirrors recent developments with Grayscale, whose Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF, XRP, SOL, and ADA hybrid ETF approvals faced similar complications. These approvals form a second wave of hybrid cryptocurrency spot ETFs, signaling institutional interest but continued regulatory caution. The SEC's hesitation likely stems from concerns about market manipulation and custody complexities inherent in spot crypto ETFs, differing from futures-based alternatives. This tug-of-war highlights ongoing regulatory balance between encouraging innovation and protecting investors. Now, let's pivot to the Bitwise ETF's composition and why it matters. Covering 10 major digital assets, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, plus promising altcoins like Sui and Avalanche. The ETF offers broad diversification. This broad crypto fund creates a novel investment vehicle for retail and institutional traders seeking regulated options. But suspension means delays in market access via classic stock exchanges like NYSE Arca. The Bitwise ETF's new structure reflects demand for DeFi asset inclusion and tokenization of blockchain projects, though regulatory hurdles dictate timelines and investor confidence. What does this mean for crypto portfolios globally? The Bitwise ETF suspension can dampen short-term enthusiasm for spot crypto ETFs, once viewed as game-changers for liquidity and legitimacy. Yet regulatory re-examination signals the SEC's commitment to thorough vetting, possibly ensuring stronger investor protections in final approvals. Investors must watch for announcements from the SEC Secretariat and NYSE for further updates. Importantly, the evolving ETF landscape directly impacts crypto trading dynamics. As institutional inflows depend on accessible products, it's essential to emphasize regulatory clarity for long-term crypto market health. Spot ETFs represent a key intersection of traditional finance and blockchain innovation. They allow easier access for investors wary of direct wallet custody, unlocking new capital inflows into digital assets. I personally trade on a rock-solid crypto exchange boasting consistently ultra-low fees. Its deep liquidity ensures instant order fills, plus lightning-fast withdrawals keep funds flexible. Tap the special link in the description below today and unlock exclusive sign-up rewards. Nevertheless, skepticism remains because cryptocurrency's volatility and decentralized nature clash with standard securities frameworks. The Bitwise ETF case highlights these regulatory complexities, showing that approvals may start strong but face ongoing scrutiny. Strategically, this episode reminds traders to diversify, considering both spot and futures-based ETF products alongside direct crypto holdings. The SEC's re-evaluation process highlights unpredictable hurdles even after regulatory endorsements. Staying informed about commission updates and ETF structures is critical. For newcomers and experts alike, flexibility while respecting regulatory signals can mitigate risks and optimize opportunities. If you find this analysis valuable, please like and subscribe to support cutting-edge crypto content. Comment below with thoughts on how crypto regulations shape your investment strategies. We will continue updating as news unfolds. Looking ahead, the Bitwise ETF's trajectory in 2025 will influence asset manager decisions on crypto fund products. Approval postponements could prompt refinements in proposals to address custody, price manipulation, and investor protection concerns. Markets might see revamps in crypto index construction or selective asset inclusion aligned with regulatory comfort. Anticipate increased dialogue among ETF issuers, exchanges, and regulators aiming for workable compromises. This ongoing evolution is crucial for maturing crypto finance and enhancing product robustness. Lastly, spot ETFs approval dynamics could set precedents for other digital asset investment fund launches worldwide. Global crypto investors watch the SEC closely as a regulatory bellwether. Ripple effects from the Bitwise ETF situation may prompt changes in approaches to DeFi-linked assets or multi-crypto baskets. International exchanges may adjust listings depending on U.S. regulatory signals, impacting access and competition. Such developments highlight why staying updated provides crucial competitive insights. In conclusion, the Bitwise ETF breakthrough swiftly met roadblocks after SEC spot ETF approval, leaving markets curious about what's next. This suspension under regulatory review reflects both progress and caution in institutional crypto adoption frameworks. As developments continue, investors and analysts must track detailed SEC decisions closely to gauge the future of hybrid and spot crypto ETFs. For now, strategic patience combined with informed monitoring remains the best approach to navigating evolving crypto ETF waters. I personally trade on a rock-solid crypto exchange boasting consistently ultra-low fees. Its deep liquidity ensures instant order fills, plus lightning-fast withdrawals keep funds flexible. Tap the special link in the description below today and unlock exclusive sign-up rewards. Managing your portfolio wisely amid regulatory shifts is essential for long-term success.